Every day you hear about another company getting hacked and your personal information being compromised. This is called a data breach. A data breach is any time your online accounts are being hacked or accessed by criminal parties. There's no way to be completely safe from a hacker's attack, but you can take steps to keep your data safe. I'm Burton Kelso, Chief Technology Expert at Integral in Kansas City. Let's take 5 minutes to discuss ways to keep your data and your customers' data safe from hackers. I recently worked with a real estate professional who used the same password for all of his online accounts. A hacker got a hold of his email address and login and was able to then access his financial accounts, social media, and more. The agent didn't lose any money, but the information in his real estate database was compromised. He had to go through the process of changing all of his passwords, as well as notifying his buyers and sellers that they were victims of a data breach. It was a big hassle. Here are some of the key steps to take right now to keep your data safe. First, I know it's a pain, but change your passwords on a regular basis. It seems so obvious, but it's the easiest way to limit the damage from a hacker who may discover one of your passwords. Also, use a different password for each account. There are software programs that allow you to store your passwords in an encrypted database. Some examples are LastPass, Dashlane, and Keeper Password Manager. Next, you should also password protect your mobile device. Should your device get stolen, the thief will not be able to get your data. Today, real estate professionals are mobile, having to pull up private information using a public Wi-Fi. Beware of public Wi-Fi where hackers may be lurking. If you can hook up to a personal hotspot, you are much safer than when you connect to a public Wi-Fi. You can also try a VPN or virtual private network. A free one is built into the Opera web browser. There are many out there for purchase, such as TunnelBear, which has a monthly fee and works for all devices. Some other choices include IPVanish and ExpressVPN. In addition to encrypting your phone and tablet, make sure you encrypt your laptop data. Windows 10 Home doesn't have encryption built into it, but Windows 10 Professional does. For Apple computers, make sure you enable the File Vault data encryption feature. At the same time, be sure to back up your data on a regular basis. By doing so, you'll always have your data safe should you get attacked by ransomware that holds your computer hostage. Finally, beware of phishing emails, as those are the primary ways many people become victims of a breach. Never click through an email to a bank account or other site where personal data may be contained. Instead, go directly to the site. For brokers, take time to sit down with a cybersecurity expert to find out the ways you can protect your data. Set up an educational program for your agents. Remember, anytime an agent accidentally clicks on a phishing email, it potentially may impact the whole office. Most brokerages and agents don't have the security support team available to monitor their devices like large companies, and cyber criminals are aware of this. Beware and make sure that you're staying on top of your data and keeping your buyer and seller data safe.